Let me ask you something that changed my life forever. Why not you? You know, that feeling when you're scrolling through social media, seeing people crushing their goals, launch businesses, transform their lives, and that little voice whispers that could never be me? I get it. I was that 20-year-old introvert standing on the sidelines, watching others' lives. The life I dreamed of, always telling myself I'm not ready, I don't have connections, I need more experience. But here's the truth bomb that shook me. No one, no one feels fully ready. Those people you admire, they started with the same doubts, same fears, and the same excuses. The only difference, they started anyways. You are probably thinking, yeah, but it is different for them. Trust me, I know that story. I lived it and I'm living right now and I'm feeling these such things. But let me ask you something. What's the alternative? Waiting for the perfect moment that never comes? Watching years slip by while your dreams collect dust? Here is what nobody tells you. Confidence doesn't create actions. Actions creates confidence. Every single person you look up to, they failed multiple times, but they understood something crucial. Failure is not your enemy, it is your teacher. And those people you're afraid will judge you? No. They're too busy worrying about their own lives to notice. The only opinion that truly matters is yours. So I'll ask you again, why not you? Why not you now? You have something unique that world needs, your voice, your perspective, your talents. Stop waiting for permission. Stop asking what if and start asking why not. Because the truth is the only thing standing between you and your dreams is the story you keep telling yourself. The time is now, the person is you.